Crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and today I'm doing another 1 in 10 by Jen. It's number 164. This comes to us from Sharon Petty, so if you are interested in joining this, go on over to Facebook, jump on our group, and we will get you introduced into how to do that. So today I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what she sent, and then I have the alarm set for 10 minutes and we're just going to take off. The only thing I didn't do today was get a card base ready. So I may have to do that. Looks like she sent a card with her stuff. So let me just dump this stuff out. I love your 1 in 10 cards. I try not to be too matchy. Thanks, Sharon. This is so cute. So let's see what she sent. She's got a couple of little beach balls. Some really pretty papers. Oh, wow. Look at these. I love you. Te amo. Got some blue gems. Got quite a bit of variety here. I love this. Some flowers. And some extra little pieces. Here's a little bit of gold. Get well soon. All right, awesome. So can't guarantee I'll be using everything, but we are going to create a card from this. Birthday wishes. I'm going to get started, and the first thing I think I'm going to do is create a card base. So go up here and grab a piece of card. All right, we're set. Now I saw 2 elements in here that I thought would really look awesome together. Look at that. I'd have to just chop off a little on the top to make that go well. Perfect. Let's see if we want a little bit of this like pink in the back of it. Oh, how pretty is that? I think that'll work if we put that right there. Yep. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that it gets on. Got my glue stuck together here. Just around this so that I don't cover up or miss part of the hole. So I want that to go up that way. Can I turn it a bit? I can, okay. Just so it doesn't stick out the sides too. Perfect. There, it's in there. Look at all the pretty stuff in there. It's like a mulberry paper. Super pretty. And then that will go down as our base. So we'll go ahead and glue that down. I'll do a little bit of glue around the circle as well. We'll try to center it. This is so cute. This will be our next piece. Yep. So we'll go ahead. I'm going to put a little bit of squirt like right here. Maybe a little bit, just a tad bit around there so it stays down. So I want to be able to move this just a tiny bit, make sure I line that up well. That looks pretty good. Super cute so far. I love this gold. I'd love to just add that on there. I love you. Let's see what else we've got, because we've got this floral stuff and I really like these flowers. So we've got a little pink and a little blue. Maybe you want to toggle it off center here. There are little tiny gold flecks in there. I'm not sure if you can see them, but we could add some of this gold by cutting it up. We've got a birthday cake we could pop in there. We've got a get well soon. some orange. Wonder if this has a back. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, maybe not today. I'm definitely gonna need a brad to hold these guys together. Let me just decide, do I want to add in another color or should we just go with that blue? That blue is so pretty. Let's just go with that blue. And then we can add in a couple of the blue gems. That'll kind of combine those two colors. And I'm going to go with gold since we have some gold for a brad. Just a matter of how large do we want that to be. I think this one's probably plenty large. Yeah, plenty. This is going to stick up a little bit on our card. And then for this, to add in that other gold, I'm going to pop this flower up just so that helps with the thickness of the brad. Pop it up so it doesn't dig into the paper. Should be able to put a little piece on either side of that brad. Yeah. There we go. I love cards that have lots of like 3D effects and stuff. So that's super cute. Get the get well in there. I think I'll do that flat on, but it needs a little color around the edge. Let me see if I can get one that's close to that blue. This one looks really close. Yeah, I think that's going to be probably the closest one we have. So let's go ahead and give this a little bit of a wash on the edges. Ooh, perfect. That's going to bring in some of that color. Yes. So we will go ahead and glue that down. Just dawned on me that I did not check my sound before I started. I sure hope that I don't have to redo this video. And now we're going to add in a little bit of that gold. I'm pretty sure that we're not going to have an inside to this card unless I add that gold saying, but we'll just see how it goes. I need a hole puncher is what I need. Let's see if I've got one handy here. Well, I used to. Okay, this one will work. I don't know just how many I want to put on, but I'm thinking maybe 3. Let's see how they fit. Now we're pulling that gold in to make everything matching. Yeah, I'm thinking 3 right there would be totally cute. Let's try to get them lined up. Tricky to line them up sometimes. Wet glue helps because then you can slide them around until you're ready. Awesome. And you know, I always do an inside, so since we have an extra minute, let's do an I love you in there. I wish I had another piece that had similar colors to it. Oh, I didn't put down the gems, did I? You know what? This matches so well. I'm going to skip the gems. We'll save those for another time. And we're going to put in the love you. I hope I can do this without wrecking it. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. So now it's got a little simple love you at the bottom. So pretty. And I don't really have anything else to add in there, do I? I don't want to do the gems because we didn't do it on the outside. You know what? I think a slice of this would probably work pretty well. Oh. Oh, I ran out of time. Shucks. You know what? In certain videos I do go ahead and just add it, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it because that was a little bit of an afterthought, and I want her to have a little bit of a design on the inside. So I'm just gonna give this cute little floral banner here, and that's it. Sweet. And they do mimic the colors from the outside a little bit, so it's super cute. Awesome. So again, let me look and see. This one was from Sharon Petty. So I want to thank you, Sharon, so much for sending your things in. All of your little things will not be for naught. I will put them in the box where I'm saving everything for crop in the new year. So if that's something that you're interested in, 8 to midnight Central Standard Time, coming up the end of this year, that's where I'm going to use a lot of these leftover things. The box is going to be quite full by then, so I'm not going to get to use everything, but if you just want to hang out and craft, have a good time, be with like-minded people, and just enjoy yourself and bringing in the new year, we would love to have you. We're going to have it on Zoom this year, so everyone will have a chance to either be on camera or not, and mute yourself or not. We do appreciate when you mute, of course, because then we don't have all the extraneous noise, and then unmute when you talk. Well, we can go over all that stuff later on. So again, number 164 we are on of this one. I will go ahead and stamp my information on the back. This card goes back to Sharon for sharing, so that's a fun thing. If you guys want to get in on that, by all means, join us on Quality Crafts on Facebook. We would love to have you. And until then, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.